What's up, Pancakeswap holders? How are you? Hope you're fine now, my friends. Once again, I'm present with another latest update of the Pancakeswap. What's going on? What's the prices of the Pancakeswap? In this video, I will share all updates of the Pancakeswap. You have to just keep watching this video, and you have to just subscribe ABS Tech channel. Please, my friends, click the subscribe button now and also like this video, my friends. In this video, as we talk about the currently latest price of the Pancakeswap. So currently price of the cake coin in this time in the market is 13.63 USD dollar. 13.63 USD dollar is the currently latest price of the Pancakeswap. Furthermore, if we talk about the price in is up of the Pancakeswap, so the pricing is the latest last 1 hour pricing is negative, and only, my friends, yesterday the price of the Pancakeswap is start pumping for later time, my friends, for later time. And now you can see is the latest situation, the currently last 60-minute situation. I'm talking about the latest condition, latest updates of the Pancakeswap. So the last 60-minute pricing is again negative. Let me show you the price chart of the Pancakeswap, my friends. Oh my goodness, my friends, you can see here this time the Pancakeswap start a good jump, but unfortunately from the last 2 hours 3 hours the price of Pancakeswap is again falls down. And you know what, my friends, don't be disappointed by the Pancakeswap. I think that is a temporary falls. After a few hours the price will again pump. That's my belief, that's my prediction about Pancakeswap. Anyways, we can't say about the future. Maybe the price again falls down, more and more falls down, but my prediction is positive about Pancakeswap. Anyways, what is your opinion? What is your prediction about Pancakeswap? Hope you like this news, hope you like this update, and don't forget to subscribe for more news and updates videos.